Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a Sintra AI review. So you can basically use AI assistants to make money. It's really amazing, but I'm going to give you an honest review regardless. So if you have ever wondered how AI can help you make money, then this is the perfect tool. So it's called Sintra AI. So basically you get AI employees, okay? You have virtual AI employee. So it is I would say it's a cutting edge platform designed to assist users in leveraging AI to basically generate income. So whether you are a content creator or, investor or someone looking to, you know, stride for side hustles, then Sintra AI basically promises to make the process seamless and more profitable. So it has many different features. So in this video, we'll dive into what Sintra AI is, its key features, and how you can use it to make money. So let's get started. Before I show you all of the different AI, so let's go right here. So they have different. So we have a data analytics expert on AI. So you help analyze market trends. Optimize your operational efficiency. Improve your budget allocation. Let me show you some more popular ones. So this is a business strategy ones. You helps you consult. It's basically a consultant. Helps you launch new products and such. Email marketing, guys. As you know, if you have good email marketing, you can convert your warm leads into actual paying customers. Okay, you can convert better. This is your personal growth coach. Your recruitment partner helps to screen your resumes, generate outreach emails, plan your interviews for you, writes your job descriptions for you, does everything for you. Basically, a virtual HR. This is copywriting. Copywriting is when you go ahead and so it helps you with sales where you generate uh, a copy. So it is what you use to advertise. So a good copy helps to engage customers, catch their attention, and make your marketing memorable. Then we have comment. This is your e-commerce manager. It writes you converting landing pages. This is very, very important. Products descriptions, gathers the customer testimonials for you, helps you actually find winning products. Very crucial. Okay. Also analyzes and optimizes your Shopify store. Really, really perfect, guys. Now we have Millie, this is your sales strategist, and then your personal SEO mastermind. I like this one as well because it makes your blog posts and such with SEO friendly and optimize it for SEO. Basically helps you, go show up on the search results. For example, this video you searched, probably most likely you came from a search. So this video's SEO has been optimized for SEO, the keywords, the tags, description. This one is your executive assistant, does all your visual needs, plans your business trips, right? Conducts all your meetings, coordinates them. Really easy and simple. Basically, a virtual assistant, personal assistant you have. So, this platform basically combines the advanced artificial intelligence tools with user friendly features. It helps people automate their tasks, many tasks, enhance, it will help you enhance your productivity. It will help you discover money making opportunities. For example, the e commerce one helps identify for you the winning product. So just think of it as your personal AI assistant that's skilled in market analysis, content creation. Okay, we have investment opportunities. We have even business management, right? Really, really easy and simple to use this as well. And it basically streamlines these processes so you can focus on maximizing your results. Some of the key features, let's dive in some of the key features of Sintra AI. So, as I showed you some of them right here, we have different names for each. So, we have Dexter, data analytics expert, Buddy, business strategy. And by the way, you can get them a one by one each, or you can use Sintra X. Sintra X gives you all the 12 Sintra AI helpers in one plan at $97 a month only. Okay, so it'll get you most areas of your work. 90 plus power ups for one click work. Okay. So really easy and simple. You can complete tasks in seconds. For example, image generation, creating link in post, just one click. Literally one click and the AI employee does it for you. Really easy. You can browse all the features, Brain AI. You can use up to 150 plus languages. Really easy and simple. Everything is very, very user friendly. And if you are a content creator, you can go ahead and create content using this AI. Let me show you. This one is Soshi. This one does all your social media, create posts for you and everything. So how do you actually make money with Sintra AI? There's actually three popular methods people use. So one is investing in stocks or crypto. So Sintra has AI driven insight. So you can make faster, smarter investment decisions. So a platform highlights opportunities and helps you understand the risk versus rewards. Let me show you which one does this. So you can basically make it easier for you to, grow your portfolio. So we have Dexter here. This is the data analyst. And we have Buddy, which helps with the business development. Now, another one would be enhancing your business, right? So if you are already running a business, Sintra AI can basically boost your bottom line. It's way cheaper than having an employee. Like you could literally be paying an employee for 2 hours, and this is per month. A virtual employee, $40 a month. This you could be paying, let's say, $20 per an hour. 2 hours, that's already $4, right? So this is way cheaper than even hiring an employee. You streamline your operations. You automate those repetitive tasks that could be done with an AI. You don't have to go and even use ChatGPT to prompt it. The AI will do it for you, and you can even create targeted marketing campaigns as I showed you with one of this AI features right here. Let me show you which one this does. This is our personal. Let me show you. So we have the e-commerce manager and the copywriting expert that does it. And then, of course, we had Soshi that does the social media. And, of course, you can also launch a side hustle. So, Sintra AI doesn't just suggest ideas. It guides you through launching them. So with this starting a blog, it does it for you. It literally does it for you. You don't have to start a blog and then go to the employee and make it do things. It would literally do it for you. It would do the selling products online for you. It will become the virtual assistant for you. This AI helps you optimize your workflow and maximize your earnings. Okay? So why is this amazing? you can okay, you can basically combine multiple income generating strategies into one platform. Okay, there's no need for technical experience or expertise. The platform is intuitive, it's beginner friendly, it's time saving, it automates time consuming tasks like research and analysis, content creation, and also has a high ROI potential. So, whether you're investing or starting a business, Sintra AI's recommendations can lead to impressive returns. It's available 24/7. Okay, it's the only employees that actually love overtime. They're always ready to serve you 24/7 on the clock. So is Sintra AI worth it? I would say give it a shot. Look, if you're serious about leveraging AI for financial growth, this is the best tool. Okay? You don't have to use multiple different AI platforms, pay multiple subscriptions, and then, go ahead and train the models. You don't have to do any of that. Everything has been trained. Things you just do things in one click, literally in one click. Okay? I know this platform requires a upfront investment, but if you just go ahead and check the reviews, you will see that many users are recouping their costs quickly by implementing the strategies. Go ahead and give it your own research on your own. You will see what I'm talking about. Don't just listen to me. Go ahead and check it out yourself. And that says, guys, success will depend on how well you actually utilize these tools provided. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You just have to be smart about it and how you use it. You can check out the reviews online as well. So, is Sintra AI the ultimate tool for making money? Well, based on its features and user feedback you'll find online, it's definitely worth exploring, okay, if you're looking to level up. And let me know, what do you think? What are some of the best tools you have used to generate income streams? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, guys, if you found this video or review helpful, go ahead and smash the like button, as well as subscribe to Smart Solutions. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one. Even the employees saying bye to you guys.